The thermal fuse is a safety component that trips if the air flowing through the drum begins to overheat. A blocked exhaust vent is the most common reason the air overheats. When the thermal fuse is blown in an electric dryer, the controls light up, but the drive motor won't run. You can't reset the thermal fuse. If it's blown, you have to replace it with a manufacturer-approved replacement part. Before you begin, wear work gloves to protect your hands. Unplug the dryer. Remove the screws from the back panel. Remove the back panel from the dryer and set it aside. Pull the wires off of the thermal fuse. Remove the mounting screw using a 1/4 inch nut driver. Pull the fuse off of the blower housing. Position the new fuse and secure it with the screw. Push the wires onto the connection spades on the top of the new thermal fuse. Position the back panel on the back of the dryer. Line up the mounting screw holes. Insert the mounting screws and tighten them firmly. Plug the dryer into the wall outlet. To prevent the thermal fuse from blowing again soon, remove the flexible vent in the back of the dryer and clean the inside of the flexible vent hose. Clean the air duct going to the outside of your home with a duct cleaning brush. Vacuum the area to clean up dust.